Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna do comparison between Infinix Smart 7 and Tecno Spark 1, and you can see both the devices. Here it is Infinix logo and it has a lines design and it is blue, and you can see this also. It is Tecno Spark mobile and it is black in color. It is matte finish and there are two cameras. Let's talk about the Infinix 7 camera. So this is the back camera and 13 megapixel is back camera and front camera is 5 megapixel. And in Tecno smartphone there it is 13 megapixel back camera and front camera is 8 megapixel. So let's talk about both the displays. So Smart 7 has 6.6-inch HD plus IPS display and Tecno Spark has 6.67-inch IPS LED display. Let's talk about the ports and button. So it both have volume up and down button, power on off button. At bottom you will see here it is a speaker, one type C charging port. Both have microphone and both have 3.5 audio jack. At the top you will see nothing, but in Tecno Spark there is dual speaker also there. You can see here it is. At this side you will see there it is a SIM tray. So let's open the smartphone. And you can see the smoothness of both the smartphone. And let's see its refresh rate. So we have to click on settings first and just type here refresh rate, and here it is. And it has, here it is showing 120 fps and it has dropped to 60 fps. So both have 60 fps, you can see. Let's talk about the security features. So I have click on settings, then you have to click on this password and security. And here it is, just scroll up, you will see security, and you can see both have app lock, and it will show here it is, both have screen locks, fingerprint and face lock. Let's talk about the camera. So I have click on camera, and you can see in Infinix Smart 7 there is a video option, AI cam, beauty mode, portrait, panorama. And let's talk about the Tecno smartphone. Here it is short video, AI cam, beauty, portrait and time lapse, dual video, super night mode, panorama, AR shots and pro mode. Let's talk about the video quality. So here it is, just tap on the video quality and you can see it has Infinix Smart 7 has 480 pixel at 30 fps, 720 pixel at 30 fps and 1080 pixel at 30 fps. And let's talk about the Tecno one. So here it has 720 pixel at 30 fps and 1080 pixel at 30 fps. And let's talk about the video quality. So let's play. Friends, you can see both the qualities of the video quality of both the smartphone. You can see, just you have to do is tap on settings and just click on quality, and you can see you can watch the video in 2160p at in your Tecno smartphone, and in your this Infinix smartphone you can watch video in 720 pixel at 60 fps plus HDR mode. And you can see the quality of both these smartphones are very good. Let's play the sound test also, and let's see the speaker test. Friends, you can see it is Smart 7 sound. Friends, let's see the Tecno Spark sound. So I have Friends, you can see both the sounds. It has dual speaker, so it has very good sound. And you can comment down whose sound do you like the most. Let's see another settings. So let's click on settings and go to my phone, and you can see both. It in Smart 7 it has Android version 12. In Tecno it has 14. You can see the processor. It is Unisoc X6517, and it is UMS 923OE and T615. This is the processor. Front camera is 5 megapixel, and in this it is 8 megapixel. Its back camera is 13 megapixel dual cameras, and it is 13 megapixel. Plus Smart 7 have extendable storage 4 plus 3 GB. It has only 4 GB. And if you want to buy this smartphone, I have given the link in the description. If you want to check it out, you can go there. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.